everyone, welcome back to CBSE Learners. This is me, Pooja M.K. Rao. I welcome you all to my online classes. Here you can learn absolutely free of cost. So today's class is a continuation video of my previous video, that is active and passive voice. In my previous video, I have explained you how to convert from active to passive in case of simple present tense. Now in today's class, I will teach you about how to convert from active to passive in case of present continuous tense. I am preferring to give separate videos as you will be confused if I give you at a time and the video will be lengthy. Okay, so today's class is about how to convert from active to passive in case of present continuous tense. Okay, so before I start this lesson, I would ask you whether you have subscribed my channel or not. If not, you just go and hit the subscribe button along with the bell button so that we can bring you more informational videos like this. Okay, so just go and hit the subscribe button. Now let's start our class. So like my previous video, in this video also I will give you form for affirmative, for negative, for positive interrogative and for negative interrogative. Okay, how to convert from active to passive in case of, first we'll learn in case of affirmative sentences. Okay, so these are affirmative sentences are the statements. Okay, affirmative sentence. So affirmative sentences are the statements or the positive sentences. Now let me take one very simple example like Rahul is eating a banana. Okay, so this is a positive or affirmative sentence. Now here we can see the focus is on the subject Rahul, okay, who is eating the banana, and the work he is doing is the object, that is he is eating a banana. So here banana is the object. Why? Because banana is receiving the work, isn't it? So Rahul is the subject. Since the focus is on the subject, we can say that this is an active voice. Active voice. Okay. Now let's construct the formula of active voice in case of present continuous tense. Now first thing will come is the subject plus the be verb or is or am. Be form of verb. That is, am or are. Because here this is in present tense, we are using is, am or are. Why? Because this is in present continuous tense. And in case of present, if this was in past, then we would have used was or were. Okay. So here we have used be form of verb plus verb. Okay. This is verb plus ing. Okay. The main verb plus ing plus, or you can call this as present participle. Present participle. Okay. So present participles are all the verb with ing. Okay. When we use any verb with ing, that is the present participle. And past participle is when we use with ed, n, en, all those. Okay. So I can write like fourth form or fifth form, but it will be confusing for you to understand, isn't it? So I mentioned clearly that it is the present participle plus the object, which is the banana. Okay, a banana. Now let's check that whether I have correctly written or not, because I am also a human being. I can also make mistakes, isn't it? So here subject, okay, is Rahul, be form of verb, verb plus ing plus object. Okay, so this is the formula for active voice. Now let's construct the formula for passive voice. Now let me convert this into passive sentence. Now in case of passive sentences, passive voice, what will happen? The object will be in focus. So we have to focus on the object, not on the subject. So let's bring the object, which is a banana, first. Okay. So let me bring the banana first. Okay. So a banana What is this? A banana. So a banana is what? A third person singular, isn't it? A banana is being. So always see what is the subject or the object. Depending on that, you have to use the be form. If there are bananas, then you have to use, if it is in plural form, then you have to use as are. Okay, but here as it is a banana, so we can use is. A banana is being. Now the new thing we need to add is this being. Okay, in case of present continuous tense, when we are changing the voice, we have to add being. Clear? So is being. Rahul is being eaten by whom? By the subject, that is Rahul. Okay, a banana is being eaten by Rahul. Instead of using directly eating, we are using this one being. Okay, so always in case of present continuous tense, you have to use this being. Okay, so a banana is being eaten by Rahul. So this is the past, this is the sentence, passive voice in case of affirmative sentences, in case of present continuous tense. So let's construct the formula from here. So first the thing will come is object plus be form of verb, that is, am or are, plus being plus past participle form of verb, plus by plus subject. Okay, so here it will be subject. Clear? So since here the focus is on object, we can say this is a passive sentence in passive voice. Okay, so let me check once again whether it is correct or not. Okay, so banana is the object, is the be form of verb, plus be plus past participle form of verb, plus by plus subject. Okay, so this is in case of affirmative sentence. Now, how we will make a negative sentence? Very simple. When we add just not. So Rahul is not eating a banana. So that is a negative sentence. So when we add not, it will become a negative sentence. So let's make and let's convert it. Okay. So in case of negative sentence. Okay. Rahul is not eating a banana. So what is the sentence? Since here we can see not, so it is a negative sentence. Okay, so negative sentence. Now how to convert negative sentence from active to passive? Or sometimes why I am giving you formula of the active, because sometimes you are asked to change from passive to active. So both you should remember, not only one. So for that sake, I am giving you the formula for active also. Okay. So here we can see the focus is on the subject Rahul. So this is active voice. The sentence is in active voice. Okay. This is the subject and banana is the object. Okay. Now let's convert it. Now let's construct the formula first. Okay. Because as I have said, sometimes you might be asked to convert from passive to active. So let's construct the formula. First thing is subject we require, which is the Rahul here, plus be form of verb, that is, am or are, plus not here. So is since it is a negative sentence, we are using not. Okay, plus this is main verb with ing, verb plus ing plus object, which is a banana. Now let's convert it. Now first, to convert, what we require, we need to bring the, we have to focus on the object, which is a banana. So we have to bring the object first. So banana is not being eaten by Rahul. Okay, a banana is not being eaten by Rahul. So Rahul has not taken the banana. Okay, so here the focus is on the object. A banana is not being eaten by Rahul is the subject. Since the focus is on the object, we can call this, the sentence is in passive voice. Okay, so I think it is visible to you. Yes, so I am erasing the, is this line will be visible? Okay, so I am erasing this one. Okay, so just to write down the formula. So what will be the formula? Now see, first thing we got is the object, which is the banana, plus be form. It depends on the number of the object. Okay, in case of passive, and in case of active, it depends on the subject, number of the subject. So here a banana, so we are using is. Okay, so object plus be form, that is, am or are, plus not, plus being, plus past participle form of verb, plus by, plus subject. Subject will be at the last in case of passive voice. So because here we are focusing on the object. Okay, so object plus be form of verb, that is, am or are. These are all auxiliaries, primary auxiliaries, isn't it? Plus not, plus be, plus past participle form of verb, plus by, plus subject. Okay, so this is in case of negative sentence. Now in case of interrogative sentence. Now what are interrogative sentences? When we interrogate someone. Okay, so let's start with the interrogative sentence. Okay, so what will be the interrogative sentence? Now for interrogative sentences, in case of present continuous tense, we will use is or was, or not was will be in case of past continuous, is or am or are. Okay, to question someone. So here in case of present continuous tense and interrogative sentence. Now we will first learn the positive interrogative. Positive ones. Okay, positive. Is Rahul eating a banana? So here someone is asking, is Rahul eating a banana? So the same sentence I have taken, but in interrogative sentence. Okay, so here see, first thing is the question tag. So what is the difference in case of statement and interrogative? The difference is the question tag. Okay, so here we are using the question tag and we are asking someone, isn't it? So first thing we require is, here still here the focus is on Rahul, who is the subject. So we can call it as active voice. The sentence is in active voice, isn't it? Because is Rahul eating a banana means the focus is on Rahul. If they have said, if they have focused on the object, which is the banana, then the voice would have been in passive voice. But here, is Rahul eating a banana? So here how to construct the formula? Here first we have to take be form, that is, am or are. Okay, to ask a question, to use for asking question. Next comes the subject plus verb plus ing which can be called as present participle plus object. Okay, so this is in case of active voice with the question tag, question mark. Okay, so B form is Rahul eating a banana. Okay, so correct. I hope this is clear to you. Now, how to convert this into passive voice? So they will say the same thing. So here we have to bring the object, which is a banana. Okay, first we have to focus on the banana. So how to ask? The banana is in singular form, so we will use is for banana, isn't it? So is a banana being eaten by Rahul? Okay, so here we are using banana as the main focus. Is a banana being eaten by Rahul? Okay, so this is also a question, but the focus is on banana, which is the object. So we can call it as, the sentence is in passive voice. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Now how to construct the formula? So the formula will be form of verb plus object. Now here let me write down B form of verb is am or few of you will be confused. Plus object plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject with question tag. Okay, so I hope this is clear that first we have to bring the question tag in case of interrogative, that is we have to use the B form as a question to ask question. Then we will bring object, we will bring being, then we will bring past participle form, then we will bring by, and then we will use the subject. So the new thing you have learned in this continuous tense is to bring being, B-E-I-N-G, being. Okay, to add being. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Next we will see one more example in case of negative interrogative, that is we have to use with this sentence or not. Is Rahul not eating a banana? Okay, so it will be same, only here we have to add not. Okay, so let me give you the example. I hope you can only do without my help. I am sure about that. Okay, so let's see in case of interrogative sentence which is a negation or negative. Okay, negative ones. Okay, so the sentence will be same. Is Rahul not eating a banana? Okay. So this is focuses on subject, that is this is in active voice. Now let's construct the formula. B form, that is am or are plus, Rahul I am writing, which is the subject, isn't it? So here it will be subject plus not plus present participle which is verb plus ing. Okay, plus object with question tag. Okay, so this is in case of active voice, that is or am or are plus subject plus not plus present participle, that is verb plus ing plus a banana. Now in case of passive voice, I know each one of you can do this one. Okay, so let's start. In case of passive voice, is a banana not being eaten by, is a banana not being eaten by Rahul? Okay, so if sometimes you can use is a banana being not eaten by Rahul, or you can use is a banana not being eaten by Rahul, okay, with question tag. So it will be B form. So here the focus is on object, so it is in passive voice. Okay, so B form, that is, am, or are plus object plus not plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject with question tag. Okay, so let me just check once whether I have correctly written or not. Okay, so is, okay, object banana plus not plus be plus eaten, that is past participle form of verb, plus by plus subject. Okay, so I hope this transformation in case of present continuous tense is absolutely clear to you. Okay, so you can convert any sentence with these formulas from active to passive and from passive to active. Just remind the formula. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button along with the bell button. Okay, so don't forget to hit the bell button also, as you need to subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you want, you can share with your friends so that they can equally get benefited from my video. Okay, so thanks a lot for staying tuned with us, and for more informational video like this, follow our channel. Okay, thanks a lot.